We're going to learn a new rhythm today called single eighth notes. Now, so far, when we play eighth notes, they're always in groups of two, and often we chant them do-day or one and. Today, we're going to divide that in half and have a single eighth note. This is what a single eighth note looks like. It looks like a quarter note, and then it has a little flag on the back of it. So if we know that a do-day equals one full beat, okay, what if we divide that in half? So if we have one eighth note by itself, it would get half a beat. So scanning down here a little further, let's take a look at number 1. We're going to count what is written underneath the staff, and we're going to clap what is written here on the line. Okay, so number 1 will sound like this. Listen first. Here I go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Let's try that together. Ready? Go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Very nice. Now let's take a look at number 2. We're going to read the numbers in the ands. We're going to clap the rhythm written on the line. Number 2, here we go. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and. Try that with me. Here we go. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and. Now let's look at this first measure at the top of the page here. We're going to read the counting and we'll clap the rhythm. Listen to it first. Here I go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Let's try that together. Ready? Go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. We can also use this single eighth note on the and of the beat. So take a look at number 1. Okay, you see how the measure starts with an eighth rest, and then the and of the beat is where the sound happens. So listen to number 1 as I count and clap. Here I go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Let's try that together. Here we go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. All right, let's take a look at number 2. Now we have quarter notes, eighth rests, and eighth notes together. Listen to it first. Here I go. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and. Let's try that together. Here we go. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and. All right, let's put this together. So let's try the first 2 measures here at the top of the page, starting right here. Counting the numbers in the ands, clapping the rhythm that is written on the line. Here we go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Let's try that one more time. That one's a little tricky. Here we go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Next, let's take a look at 171. We're going to count all the 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Those are our subdivisions. And I'd like us to clap the rhythm that's written on the staff. Notice our time signature has changed again. We're now back to 4/4, which means we have 4 beats in each measure. 1, 2, here we go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. Okay, now let's try and play this pizzicato. 1, 2, here we go. Your bows. Let's try it arco now. 1, 2, ready, play. Open your books to page 41. We're going to look at number 169. The first thing I want you to look at is the time signature. Notice it says 2/4. That means there are 2 beats in each measure. Underneath the staff you'll see that we have 1 and 2 and the whole way through. So we're going to count those subdivisions together, and we're going to clap the rhythm that's written on the staff. Okay, let's try that together. 1, 2, ready, and 1 and 2, 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 1. All right, now let's try to play that on our instruments. You'll notice the only note we're playing is open D. 1, 2, here we go.